Hello and welcome back to Planning with a Purpose. I hope that everybody is doing well. Wanted to let you know I went to Joann's and Michael's today, and today is December 29th. And so you guys know, Joann's right now is offering 40% off of all of their stickers, like these types of stickers. Let me just show you. Like these types of stickers. I think the company is Sticko. And then they're also running a special where for the Happy Planner stuff, accessories or, products, it is buy two, get one free. I purchased the Happy Memory Keeping Holidays book, and I also purchased some washi. Hold on a minute, let me show you. So that was a good deal. And then at Michael's, of course, everything for Christmas is now 70% off. And I think their Happy Planner products were 30% off. And I purchased these two from Joann's. And you know how much I love these thin washi. I didn't think I have this one, but now that I look at it, I think I do. Oh, well, it's a good one. So anyway, this week I'm a little late. I'm doing December 28th through January 3rd in my Erin Condren. I laid it out a little bit. So what I want to do is I want to start it down here. I do have this washi. It's silver and it's blue, and I thought it would go good with these colors. So let me first actually lay down what I want to do down here. This is just plain old label paper that I get from the Dollar General. And you can get a pack of shipping labels for $1. So I just cut it down because I wanted to cover this up. All right. Cover that up. You could still see a little bit, but that's okay. I just wanted to cover it up because what I'm doing is I'm putting down this silver glitter and these trees, and I didn't want the lines to be behind the glitter. Oh, that came out nice and easy. No. Let me center it. There we go. There we go. I thought that would be so cute. All right. And then I have 2021. The whole reason why I went out is because I wanted the numbers, and all of the books that I have, the numbers were kind of small. So I wanted to lay out the 2021. I don't know if I want to do it here or if I want to do it, if I want to run it down. I don't know. Let me go ahead and put Nina's Day down. Let me see if I've got anything that can go behind it. So I went out today. I was out all day long, and it is chilly. I just wore a t-shirt and this flannel, but it's not even really a flannel. It's like a cotton shirt. Ooh, it was chilly. Let me see. Let me go ahead and put the New Year's down, and then maybe I could put something around it. Let's see, will this even match? No. I don't know what I'll do with that, so we'll just go ahead and put that down. I definitely wanted to use this Cozy Vibes. Wanted to run that over here. Cozy Vibes. I have these little stickers. Warm and cozy. Little socks. And everybody's loving their white mocha chocolates or their lattes or whatever it is. Okay, 2021. We'll do 2021 like that. Can you believe this year's almost over? It's just insane. I hope you guys got a chance to look at my my video with my vision board. I kept saying it was goals, and I know I probably confuse you guys because I did do a video where I briefly talked about my goals, and they were only like 7 goals and stuff. But the vision board is something that I am working on all year long, whereas the goals, they could be long-term goals, it could be short-term goals. It's just things that I want to accomplish. But with the vision board, that is something that I really work at and take seriously. I mean, I take my goals seriously too. And I guess you could call them goals. I'm not sure. But anyway, I just wanted to clarify that because I kept going back and forth saying goals. Now, this section here has the same bluish color. I hope it doesn't look ridiculous if I put some of this washi down to try to take away from that green. I'm a Gemini, so if I'm all over the place, I don't know, that's the reason why. I can jump from subject to subject in no time. This washi is so pretty. All right. Yeah, it kind of washes out that green. Or takes away from it. This break is going by so fast. I'm so sad. Every day that it gets closer to going back to work, I love my job. And I love what I do, but the thought of retiring just gets nicer and nicer. I can't do it right now, but oh boy, if I could, I would. Alrighty, so on this side, I tried to pull all of these colors, and it was kind of hard, but let's pull this. Since I'm on break, nothing much is really going on. I pulled one of these. This is from the Squad Goals book. I think I like it right here. And this young lady, she matches the colors perfectly. Oh, she's kind of attached. Okay, and for our New Year's Eve, I got some more of those stickers with that little glitter. It looks like snow. This is going to be a quick video since I laid it all out. And then here is a little where, when, and what to write down what's going on. I mean, I don't think we're going to be doing anything because my kids have to work, but let's celebrate. Okay. And there we have it. That was a quick video, wasn't it? So this is the December 28th through January 3rd Erin Condren horizontal layout. I hope you guys like it, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.